Okay, so when you go on outreach, it's likely that you'll get a Sawyer filter to take on outreach with you. These are the parts of it, and then all the instructions on the back is super clear. But just things that I want you to make aware of, you have to buy a bucket of Papua New Guinea. Buy a bucket bigger than this, because the smaller the bucket is, the less water pressure there is in it when it goes down, so the slower it goes, and sometimes it just flat out doesn't work. So you want like a decent sized bucket, like this size. Okay, other thing that people sometimes get confused about is how to flush it. So you will get, this is your one, and again there's instructions here that show you how to flush it, but you have to use clean water to flush it that you've already filtered. Put it in this end and push it through, rather than this water, because otherwise this is your dirty water and you're not going to clean this out using dirty water. So that's a key factor. So these are like troubleshooting ideas that people have. They always tell me, oh, my Sawyer filter is not working. These are the questions I ask. Is their bucket big enough? Are they flushing with clean water rather than dirty water? Also, if this gets quite dry, there's lots of filters inside of it, so it's not used for a long time. It can dry out and just not work very well. So, for example, sometimes some of my outreach teams, we trek between places, and we trek with our big bucket. And when we arrive at our new place, this isn't working very well. But if we start by flushing it and kind of like wet all the filters in again, once we start again, then it works well. The other complaint I often hear is that it leaks here. You have washers, little rubber washers that you need to put in. Make sure you follow these instructions correctly on how to do the washers, and that will prevent the leaks. But those are pretty much all the troubleshooting problems I hear. So if it's not going, just flush it first. Make sure you flush it with clean water. It could be because it's too clogged. It could be because it got dry. It could be because your bucket is too small and you need more water pressure in there. And then you shouldn't have any concerns. But you know, it's never a dumb idea if you know water's going to be a problem where you're going to take two with you anyway, in case one does play up.